Hello folks, we're just 2 months away from the launch of the Galaxy S23 and some of its features have already leaked. The design renders of all three phones in the series have also leaked. Now, the priciest phone in the lineup, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, has received FCC certification ahead of its launch. The Galaxy S23 Ultra received the FCC certification 2 days after the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus received it. It is the international variant of the smartphone, and it seems to be missing two important upgrades. As per FCC certification documents, the Galaxy S23 Ultra still uses 25 watts charging and has Wi-Fi 6E. However, you should take this information with a grain of salt, as it might not reveal the full picture. Samsung usually tests its phones with the same 25 watt charger, even though the devices support faster charging standards. Similar was the case with the Galaxy S22 Plus and the Galaxy S22 Ultra, as they support up to 45 watts charging, but the FCC certification only listed the 25 watts charger. Moreover, it has been widely rumored that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 equipped Galaxy S23 series will be among the first phones to feature Wi-Fi 7. So, more accurate information could be revealed by its Wi-Fi Alliance certification. The Galaxy S23 Ultra's battery is listed in the FCC database, and it was revealed a few weeks ago that it has a 5000 mAh battery. So, you shouldn't expect the smartphone to have a bigger battery than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The battery is manufactured by Samsung SDI, Samsung's battery manufacturing arm. The certification also reveals that the Galaxy S23 Ultra is compatible with the S Pen, which features Wacom's technology. Samsung is expected to bring various smaller improvements with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, including a much faster Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor globally, a bigger 3D Sonic Gen 2 fingerprint reader, an improved front-facing camera with optical image stabilization, faster Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and more durable glass protection for the display and the camera lenses. The biggest upgrade would be the 200 megapixels rear-facing camera though, which can take some amazing images. Although we might be roughly 2 months away from the official Galaxy S23 unveiling, you can be sure that Samsung will have a bunch of accessories and protective cases ready for the trio of flagships once they go on sale. A few details on some of these upcoming Galaxy S23 official cases have now emerged. In addition, a few leaked photos of a new Samsung power bank may have given us a sneak peek of one official Galaxy S23 Ultra color. Let's begin with the Galaxy S23 series cases and their color options. But remember that this list, which is on your screens right now, may be incomplete. In addition, a few leaked details on the Galaxy S23 Ultra's S Pen seemingly confirmed some color options for the upcoming flagship. The S Pen will be available in black, green, rose and beige. There's even more information regarding that last color, beige. Samsung appears to have developed a new power bank, which will be available in a similar beige color as the Galaxy S23 Ultra. At the very least, the leaked press renders may have offered a rough preview of the beige color option for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This Samsung power bank is not yet available for purchase, but according to the leak, it carries model number EBP3400. It has a capacity of 10,000 mAh and it tops out at 25 watts super fast charging. Availability details are missing, but it is possible that Samsung will release this new power bank around the same time as the Galaxy S23 series. Samsung may announce the Galaxy S23 in early February at an Unpacked event held in San Francisco. And for the first time in the past few years, the next Unpacked event might be held in person rather than virtually. Anyway, we will keep you updated, so subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one, good luck to all.